As expensive and reliable as they are, they still need constant monitoring. Fortunately, for purposes of keeping out contamination, this can be done remotely by a remarkably small crew located at the far end of the factory.
我们的工厂目前，如果是以单位数来做计算，接近5000个单位。可是我们一个班，我们就靠70到90位同仁来完成这件事。所以人基本上在半导体业界来讲，已经从以前的劳力操作，变成要知识逻辑上的判断。
Wolf Chun is in charge of this crew. They have to make sure that the 100 or so processes inside the clean area are all running to plan. They have at their disposal over 50,000 sensors and 250 million control points. This results in an astonishing flow of data, reaching up to 30 petabytes every single day.